Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Roman from GRG. Wanted to show you guys this new car that I just got for $1,600. Picked it up in Hayward. This is what I'm about to start working on right now. This is going to be the new project car, so I wanted to show you guys a little bit of it. It's a CLK55 AMG. No back badges, but it's a convertible. Has 19-inch Rexian, looks like, wheels. I don't know, but they're made by Ray's, I guess. Some shitty tires on them. It's missing a couple of things. But overall, there's really no damage on it. Convertible top works, and I already started working on all the electrical. If you guys have any questions about the electrical, let me know, and I'll let you guys know how to fix it. I'm gonna start off with just buffing the headlights because they're all oxidized. So I'm gonna start off with the headlights, and I'm gonna just wash the car. So I'll show you guys step by step how to do it here in a second.